What does your review process look like?
So I typically will do either a full practice test or like sections, take a break after I do all of the section or practice test, and then find out which ones I got wrong. And then there's just various like free resources. Sometimes there you can even look it up on certain courses, like for video explanations of things. And I try to just kind of like go through and understand like why the answer I had was wrong. Khan Academy, which LSAT kind of like sponsors, um, actually will tell you, like it'll explain each answer if you go back in. And so I found that to be really helpful just to understand like why. So like if I got something wrong, it'll be like, this is why this is wrong. This is why this is a better choice. It's not always that easy, but that's been my review process.
Good. So explanations are good and they're useful, but only to a certain point. And Khan Academy, I think it's really great because it gives you a bunch of free exams. I mean, why
Mhm.
wouldn't you want that? But it's really a collection of explanations more than a cohesive system.
It's also reuses the same questions
Yeah.
over and over, I've noticed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. It's such a limited set of questions. And so
Mhm.
I'd say for your review, look at explanations at some point for the ones that give you the most trouble, but also look at your own thought process, not just why the right answer is right and why the wrong answer is wrong, but what is tempting about the wrong answer that makes you pick it? What
Mhm.
makes you personally pick it? What were you misunderstanding? What were you reading into the text that wasn't there? And
Mhm.
then for the right answer, what made it seem unappealing to you? There are certain tricks in how LSAC writes these questions, and you're uniquely prone to falling for certain specific tricks. Everyone has their own idiosyncrasies in their way of
Mhm.
thinking, but you
Mhm.
got to see what gives you trouble so that you can avoid making the same mistake again. Because if you just move on and you don't thoroughly understand it, you will make that same mistake again, and that trick will come up again. The exam
Yeah.
just repeats itself over and over in different forms. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.